The main thing that we're trying to do here is to develop a violence prevention ecosystem in Mecklenburg County. One of the things that we know, we've been doing this work for years and people have been doing it in silos and working individually. We know that collaborative efforts are going to actually yield the greatest results. And so we're really trying to bring folks together. Well, when we did our community engagement to develop the Way Forward plan, one of the things we heard from community-based organizations was that they needed more support, that we had a lot of boots on the ground, community-based organizations who have been operating for years without support from local government. A lot of them needed support with how to run a nonprofit organization, organizational resiliency, the ability to sustain their work, to scale their work. And so Peacekeepers has been an opportunity for us to provide educational training for them, organizational assistance, technical support. So we've been able to bring in state, local, and federal experts within the field of community violence intervention to help them focus really on the work that they're doing on the ground and actually be able to scale and service more people.
Our approach is unique because we really look at our ecosystem, growing that, and so we have hospital partners, we have government partners, community-based organizations, and residents to all come together to move this work forward. And so we even work with the youth, not just creating things for them, but really including them and make sure that their voice is heard as well.
Our Not Another campaign was really our violence prevention campaign that we launched last year. We're carrying it over to this year. And one of the things that we wanted to make sure we do was to find the humanistic qualities within everyone so that people could see that you didn't have to live proximal where violence was occurring, that it was your issue, it was your problem, it was going to impact you and your family despite what side of town you might live in and what zip code.
So when you look at the image of Not Another Accidental Shooting, it's heartbreaking, right? Like you instantly understand that when you see this picture of a young child, that this is someone who might have lost their life or been greatly affected, nothing from them, right? Something that was outside of them. And so it really is a call to action to the community where we need to make sure that we are uplifting each other and that we are giving these young children a chance and not creating situations where these accidental shootings are occurring.
The things we know that is key to violence prevention is having one caring adult for each child. And so anyone can do that. Things like having clothing pantries and food pantries, food insecurity, those are things that are violence prevention and people don't often think about that. Reading to a child, supporting these nonprofit organizations who are out here by volunteering. Those are all violence prevention efforts.